how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. So today in this video I will be showing you how can you add your multiple accounts on your TikTok. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get started. So once you are in the home page of TikTok like this, you will be able to explore to various TikTok videos over here. So in order to add your multiple account, first you need to log into your account. So once you are logged in one of your accounts, you have to tap on your profile at the right bottom corner and you'll be able to see your profile over here. At the top or the upper section, you can see there is a display name for your profile. Nearer to that, there is a drop down. You have to simply tap on drop down and there is an add account option popped up at the button. Simply tap on add account. So here is the option for sign up. If you don't have multiple accounts, then you can create a new one. Then also you can add that account to TikTok. But if you already have got an account on your TikTok and want to add it over here, then you have to tap on the login option at the button and you have to choose the option for login. You can also use your phone, email or username. You can continue with Facebook, Google, Twitter or Instagram. And if you have chosen phone number, you can enter your phone number over here. You can also switch to email or username and enter your information over here. If you forget your password, you can also go for forget password option where you will be have to reset or recover your password, and once again you can log into your account. After entering, you can go for login. So few seconds later, you can see my another account has been added. You can tap in your profile and see over here. Similarly, for adding another account, you can tap on the drop down next to your nickname and over here you can go for add account and follow the same process. So this is how you add multiple accounts on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.